National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morgan County, Northern Johnson County, Hendricks County, Northeastern Owen County, Marion County, Eastern Putnam County, until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Danville to 10 miles southeast of Greencastle, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Danville, Clayton, Amo, Stylesville, Belle Union, Eminence, and Little Point around 1:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Plainfield, Brownsburg, Avon, and Monrovia around 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Indianapolis, Speedway, Mooresville, Claremont, and Lake Hart around 2:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Windale, Spring Hill, Indianapolis International Airport, Eagle Creek Reservoir, and Canby around 2:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Meridian Hills, Rocky Ripple, Crow's Nest, North Crow's Nest, Broad Ripple, Indiana State Fairgrounds, Monument Circle, Greenwood, Lawrence, Beech Grove, Southport, Warren Park, Homecroft, Williams Creek, and Castleton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 92 and 126. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 202. Interstate 70 between mile markers 40 and 93. Interstate 74 between mile markers 64 and 100. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest